Students, now we are turn on fourth diagram of image obtaining by convex lens. So here the fourth diagram, object position between 2f1 and f1, uh, radius of curvature and focal length between radius of curvature and so distance is less than radius of curvature and distance is more than focal length. Now this is convex lens. To f1, f1, o, f2 to f2. So between means not midpoint, but in between f1 and 2f1, anywhere between f1 and 2f1. Suppose the object is placed here, f1 and 2f1. First rule, parallel to principal axis, the ray parallel to principal axis, and after refraction it is passes through f2. Now the third rule, ray passes through O does not experience refraction. So both the refracted rays are met here at the point of intersection. We got the image. So this is object and this is image. B dash A dash. It is inverted image. Now position of image beyond center of curvature 2f2. 2f2 is necessary because 2f2 represents the side, the image obtained on the other side of the lens. So 2f2. Nature of the image, real and inverted. Why real? Because it is obtained on the other side of the lens, and size larger because it is 2 line height and this is 3 line height, so it is larger. Larger image is obtained when object is placed between f1 and 2f1. Beyond center of curvature, it means the distance is more than radius of curvature. So we can also say that. Now the fifth one. The fifth one image, the object position at the focus, again 2f1, f1, o, f2 and 2f2. This is principal x. On the principal x we got 0 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 9 centimeter and 12 centimeter. 3 centimeter distance between each 2 points. Between each 2 points is 3 centimeter, and this is the convex lens. Now at focus, first rule and third rule. First rule is parallel to principal axis and passes through focus. Third rule is from O. So both the rays are parallel rays. This is object. So these rays gives image at the infinite distance, just like sun. The position of image at infinity. Nature of the image, it is real and inverted, because this image is formed at the infinite distance on the right side, other side of the lens, and size highly magnified. Or highly enlarged, whatever. So this is the image formed by convex mirror when object is placed at focus. Okay, this this diagram is exactly opposite to our first diagram. Our first diagram is this. When parallel rays incident on the convex lens, image is formed at focus. If object has focus, then the image is formed at infinity. So our fifth diagram is shows that if object is on focus, then image is at infinite distance. Second diagram was if object is beyond the center of curvature, image is obtained between f2 and 2f2. Opposite to this, if object is at f2 and between f2 and 2f2, the image is obtained beyond the center of curvature. This is our fourth diagram. So second diagram and fourth diagram are also opposite to each other. Now the sixth diagram. So what is the sixth diagram? Sixth diagram, object position at between focus and lens. Okay, this is the lens joined by arc. If you don't have this protector, use this, and radius, this is the arc. But from 2f1, from 2f1 you have to draw arc joining these 2 points of the central line and the other side, same arc. Now suppose this is the object. First rule, parallel to principal axis and passes through focus. And third law, both these rays are diverging rays. They do not meet each other at anywhere. But if we extend this ray, by the perforated line backward, both the rays, is appear to intersect at a point, and it formed image. They formed image here. The distance of image is anywhere. Or image position is at anywhere. It is not a fixed distance. Anywhere it can be obtained. Image. So image position, image behind the object. Nature. This image is obtained on the same side of the object, so this image is virtual, and virtual image is always erect, and size, it is magnified. So these 6 diagrams of convex lens is completed here. Now, by the image is obtained by concave lens. So for concave lens, object is at infinity. There are 2 diagrams of concave lens. The image or object is at infinity. This is the central line. This is the principal axis. 0 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 9 centimeter and 12 centimeter. But we have to draw concave lens. So from O, half centimeter this side and half centimeter this side. Now from F2, and from F1. So this is the concave lens. This is the concave lens. Now at infinity, so from infinity, suppose from sun the rays are parallel and incident on the lens. And now the rays, after refraction the rays goes this side, but it is appear to directed from F1. वो F1 से निकलते हुए लगते हैं, लेकिन ऐसे लगते हैं लेकिन निकलते नहीं है, हमको ऐसा लगता है. तो these rays are diverging rays. So diverging rays do not meet each other. So image is formed at focus F1. So image position, so at focus F1. Here F1 to F1, F2 to F2 लिखना जरूरी है, क्योंकि they represent the side of the image. At what side the image is formed. So F1 means it is formed at left side, F2 means it is formed at right side. Nature, on the same side of the object, so it is virtual. And virtual image is always erect. And size very small. or highly diminished. It is point like. Now again, half centimeter, and this is half centimeter. So you can draw by the protector also. To set the 90th line of protector set on the principal axis, and the edge of 90 edge 890 set at the point half centimeter away from the O, and draw 3 line up and 3 line down an arc. The same procedure is repeating on the other side. So you got the concave lens. Now between infinity, object is at between infinity and the lens. So anywhere on the principal axis, left side to the lens. Suppose I place the object is here. Now first law. We appear that the rays is arises from F1. Now third law, third rule. So we got image here. This is object and this is image. What is the position of the image? The image is in between F1 and F1 means focus. So between focus and lens. The position is in between focus and lens. We can also say that the image is obtained within the focal length of the or a distance less than the focal length, whatever you say. Nature, so it is obtained on the same side of the object, so it is virtual, and virtual image is always erect and size smaller. It is smaller than the object. So here all the diagrams of lens are completed. Now next session we discussed about sign convention and other topics. Thank you.